time. Elmo and I are getting ready to plant a new garden.
That's right. Abby is going to show Elmo all the things to do to help plants grow big and strong.
Oh, I love growing fruits, vegetables, and flowers in my magic garden.
Oh, Elmo's so excited. Oh, hey, Abby, what makes the garden magic?
Let's get started.
Oh, boy, Elmo can't wait to see the garden grow.
Click on an empty plot. First, let's dig a hole. Which seed packet do you want to use? Great! Oh, and don't forget to cover the hole back up with dirt. Don't worry, we've got you covered.
Oh, Abby, the sun is setting.
That's right, Elmo, which means it's time for these plants to get some rest. Even plants need a good night's sleep.
Hey, look at that! Something grew!
That's right, Elmo. With water, sun, and a little patience, we'll have a new plant in the garden in no time. Looks like, that plant is still growing.
Let's plant something new!
That sure is a whole lot of dirt. What do you want to plant today? Carrot seed. Now the seeds are all comfy in the plot.
Elmo hopes the garden is thirsty because here's a drink. Hey, look! A visitor! Oh, looks like everybody loves a garden.
Drink up, garden. See you later, plants. Get a good night's rest.
Oh, look, Abby, look! The plant is finally all grown up.
Phew! Time flies when you're having fun. Time to harvest the morning glory flowers. Morning swirly flowers. Oh, so pretty. We should give them to someone special.
see what we grow next.
Woohoo! Let's get planting!
Digging a hole. Boy, that's a...
Sunflower seeds! Don't worry, we've got you covered.
Elmo hopes the garden is thirsty because here's a drink.
Click! Around to tend your garden.
See you tomorrow, planties.
A new day!
Good job taking care of the garden.
And fun!
Fun! To start, press the play button. On the farm, what should we do first? Those.
Playtime is over, kiddos. Time to go home.
Let's help the baby animals get back to their homes. There you go, little. Home. Home sweet home.
Piglets? Oh, wait! This is some impressive baby wrangling.
You did it. You got all the baby animals home.
Oh, I think it is time for a nap.
What should we do now?
The fruit is ripe. That means it is ready to be collected.
Shake the tree. Go ahead. Nice. You got it. Got it. Way to go. You got it. Way to go.
Keep it up.
Time's up. You got 20 cherries.
That is fruit-tastic. What should we do next? Ta-da! This is where I grow my delicious fruits and veggies.
Yellow squash. Go ahead.
Green beans? It will be nice. Click on the watering button when you are ready to water. Corn? Pumpkins? It will be nice to have some pumpkins. Red peppers? Time to water. Drink up, little seed.
Plants need time to grow. Look, they're starting to grow.
Looks like these little... night, little plants. Oh, time to harvest. That means gather our food.
Wow! Look at all the tasty food we grew!
Time to take this food to the market.
What should we do now?
Band practice! Who does not love the spotlight? Am I right?
Move the animals to the stage to add them to the music.
Click on the metronome to make the music faster or slower. Oink. 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 Click on the metronome to make the music faster or slower. Oink. Oink. Oink.
Elmo loves this song.
Oink. Click on the metronome to make the music faster or slower. Oink. 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 Click on the metronome to make the music faster or slower. Oink. 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 Click on the metronome to make the music faster or slower. Oink. 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 Oink.